You would be surprised to know how fast it takes to make this fluffy and airy drink. Please leave a like, and if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Now let's get started. I have some boiling water, coffee, sugar, vanilla extract, and a dash of cinnamon. Remember, all ingredients are in the description. Then in a medium-sized bowl, add your coffee and your hot water. Your vanilla extract, your cinnamon, and don't forget your sugar. Then just whip it on high for about 4 to 5 minutes. It might go a little faster, it might go a little slower. Just take about 4 to 5 minutes and you will see some stiff peaks coming. Once you have finished whipping your coffee, add about 1 cup of ice. Try not to mess like I did. And then add 1 cup of milk right on top of that. Then just start spooning your whipped coffee on top, and there you have some whipped coffee. I know I'm a little late to the trend, but it's still delicious, so give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you like this video, and please consider subscribing if you would like to see more cooking and more baking videos like this one. And I'll see you next time.